So it's quite a large offering, and then you can customise then, up to 20 metre in length.
Tony, it's great to be here in Spain with yourself from Mills CNC. You've got a new offering, the ZAYER product. Tell us about it.
We have, yes, we're now selling and promoting and supporting the ZAYER product range within the UK. Perfectly sort of fits our existing portfolio of products from DN Solutions. But this sort of 5-axis multitasking technology is certainly something that I believe our customers require.
So impressive walking around here and seeing this machine in action behind us, but it'd be great to hear from you about how broad the range is that you're now offering.
Well, it's a broad range of machines, but what's key, I think, is it's customizable. If you want turn function, if you want 5-axis simultaneous, if you want electro spindles, we can tailor the product to the customer's requirements, which is how I see this product fitting with us. Rather than a sort of box shift, this is a tailored solution to the customer's application.
And I've been blown away by seeing these machines being made, from start to finish here. And perhaps you could just tell us, how broad that range is, because it's not just the type of model we've got behind us here, is it?
Well, it's not, and obviously it's all designed and built and manufactured here in ZAYER in Vitoria. But the range covers, it's a very modular range, but it's horizontal machines, it's bridge machines, portal machines. So it's quite a large offering, and then you can customise then, up to 20 metre in length.
Yeah, huge. I mean, the machine we saw earlier, absolutely massive. The relationship this far, how's it gone?
Fantastic. We've been dealing with these guys now for a few months, and it's a family-run business. Very similar values to ourselves, customer first, and Fernando, who is our main contact, has been very responsive and very knowledgeable about his products.
Well, we are super happy with the engagement with Mills CNC. I think I know pretty well the UK market because of my 30 years experience in machine tool, speaking with customers, speaking with agents, and everybody was saying fantastic things about Mills CNC. So when I decided to go to Mac, look forward to see if it's possible to find this relationship with them, I met Tony Dale, Heath Redmond, and then I have no doubt, So we are eagerly looking for the next years and looking forward to this fantastic relationship that we have started months ago.
What do you think will attract your existing customers and potentially new customers to this range of machinery, Tony?
Well, Mills CNC has got a long history of supplying turnkey solutions for multiple industry sectors. We have our engineers to support that, both installation and application engineers. So I think that's the key thing, really. It's the Mills support network and engineering expertise which is going to help sell this product.